Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, June the 25th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a totally free scenario for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And for anyone who is curious, here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Then I type in my phone number and I wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Then if I have any paper coupons, I always hand those over last. Now, everybody keep in mind, if your subtotal after coupons isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction, take a second, regroup, try to figure it out, and then you can try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and also any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. Now, in the event that I'm using a paper 5 off $25 coupon that comes on the bottom of our receipts, I will hand that over first. Then you can either type in your phone number for your digital coupons to apply, or you can hand over the rest of your paper coupons. That second step, it really doesn't matter the order, whether you type in your phone number first or you hand over your other paper coupons. The main thing is that you hand over that paper 5 off $25 coupon and the cashier scans that one first. Alright, so now we're about to get into the deals, but first I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams Bus because she helped me out this week tremendously with the 3 off 15 scenarios that I showed you all in a previous video. And this first scenario that we are about to see is an awesome food deal. I think it's a brilliant idea and it came to us from DWB. Alright, so for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the hamburger chubs at $9.90. They're $4.95 each. 1 of the Clover Valley spaghetti noodles at $1. And 4 of the Prego spaghetti sauces at $10.20. They're $2.55 each. And we are taking advantage of that instant savings for when you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.75. 3 of the American greeting cards at $1.50. They're 50 cents each. And 1 Airwick warmer at $2. Now that's going to put your subtotal at $28.35. That $2 in instant savings for the Prego deal will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.35. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 ground beef chubs, the 5 off 1 Azo product, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, and the $1.95 off 1 Airwick warmer. Your subtotal after coupons will be $12.40 for all 12 items, making them $1.03 each. And y'all should be able to get at least a couple of dinners or 1.5 dinners out of this scenario. So I think this is a really awesome deal. Alright, next up, another food deal. I think this one's great too. So you want to pick up 3 of the General Mills cereals. They're on sale this week, 3 for $6. 2 of the hamburger chubs at $9.90. They're $4.95 each. And 1 pack of the Wonder Bread buns at $2.65. 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.75. And 1 CoverGirl eyeliner at $4.75. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27.05. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 3 General Mills cereal DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, the 75-cent off 1 General Mills cereal, the 1 off 2 ground beef, the 50-cent off 1 Wonder Bread buns, the 5 off 1 AZO product, and the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $8.80 for 9 items. But this still gets a little bit sweeter because right now on Ibotta we have a 25-cent rebate back on the Wonder Bread buns. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get 25 cents back, and that's going to make your final price $8.55 for 9 items, making each one just 95 cents each. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, this is a rebate app that I highly recommend because I have literally saved thousands of dollars just by using this one rebate app. So if you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And I do plan on doing some Ibotta hauls soon, so make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Alright, next up we have another food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the General Mills cereals. They're on sale, 3 for $6. 2 of the Snapple drinks, they're on sale, 2 for $2. 1 of the Vlasic pickles at $1.85. 1 Kraft dressing at $2.65. And 6 of the Bullseye barbecue sauces for $6. They're $1 each. 1 CoverGirl eyeliner at $4.75. And 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.75. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $27. We have that $2 in instant savings for the Kraft condiments coming off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 3 cereal DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, the 75-cent off 1 General Mills cereal, the 50 cents off 1 Snapple, the 50 cent off 1 Snapple printable coupon from Inbox Dollars, the 50 cent off 1 Vlasic pickles, the 25 cent off 1 Kraft dressing, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $6.50 for 15 items. Now, the deal gets a little bit sweeter because if you use that 50 cent off 1 Snapple internet printable coupon, Inbox Dollars is actually going to pay you 20 cents just for using that coupon in the store. So, if you guys are not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, this is another rebate app that I highly recommend. I literally use them every single week. And I do have a referral link that is going to be down in the pinned comment below. And if you use it, you're going to get $5 completely free just for signing up. So definitely go and check it out. So once you get that 20 cents back from Inbox Dollars, that is going to make your final price $6.30 for 15 items, making each one just 42 cents each. So how awesome is that? Alright, next up we have a paper product deal. So for this deal, you want to pick up 1 of the Scott paper towels 6 count at $6, 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue 12 count at $9. They're on sale this week for $4.50 each. 1 of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents at $3.75, 3 American greeting cards for $1.50, they're 50 cents each, 1 CoverGirl eyeliner for $4.75, and 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.75. That's going to bring your subtotal to $28.75. That $3 in instant savings for these Scott products will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.75. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer laundry product, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $6.75 for 9 items. But this still gets even better because right now on the coupons.com app, we actually have another 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon for the Scott bath tissue. So you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons app, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $5.75 for 9 items, making each one just 63 cents each. Now, I think this is a fantastic deal considering 1 pack of those Scott paper towels is $6 all by itself. So it's basically like going into the store, picking up those paper towels and getting everything else for free. Now, if you guys need paper towels more than you need bath tissue this week, here's an alternative way that y'all can do this deal. You can actually pick up 2 of the Scott paper towels 6 count, and that's going to put you at $12. They're $6 each. And 1 of the Scott Comfort Plus 6 count bath tissue, they're priced at $3. Then throw in the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent at $3.75, 3 American greeting cards at $1.50, 1 CoverGirl eyeliner for $4.75, and 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.75. Your subtotal is still going to be the same at $28.75. The $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and your new subtotal will be $25.75. And here's your list of digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Now, all of these are the exact same digital coupons that I just read through in the previous scenario, so I'm not going to read through those again. But your subtotal after coupons will be the same at $6.75 for 9 items. Now, for this scenario, we also have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the coupons.com app. And since we picked up 2 packs of the Scott paper towels, we can then submit our receipt to the coupons.com app and get $1 back on that second pack of Scott paper towels. That's going to bring your final price down to $5.75 for 9 items, making each one just 63 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a little personal care deal here, and this is also our low out-of-pocket deal for this week. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the CoverGirl powders at $6, one of the CoverGirl eyeliners at $4.75, one of the Bic Us razors at $6, one Bic Soleil women's razors 4-count at $5, one of the Azo 20-count tablets at $3.75, and 3 American greeting cards at $1.50. They are 50 cents each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl face product, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, the 5 off 1 Bic Us razor, the 3 off 1 Bic Soleil razor, the 5 off 1 Azo product, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. That is going to bring your subtotal down to 000. So you are going to get 8 items for completely free. So how awesome is that? And once y'all are done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive 2,000 points for free, which is the equivalent of $2. So definitely go and sign up if you haven't already. Now, if y'all are looking for some more ideas to incorporate into your 5 off $25 scenarios, definitely go back and watch the videos that I posted this week, because we do have a lot of really good deals this week at DG. So first up, we have the good deals and coupon matchups video. There is a ton of deals in there. Then I also made a video with 11 scenarios that y'all can do using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And then yesterday, I uploaded a quick little video with some updates, new coupon links, and then of course talking about that freebie with overage. So if you missed out on any of those videos, I'm going to have them all linked in the pinned comment down below. So definitely go back and check them out if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Saturday scenarios. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a minute to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.